Hi everyone, welcome to the Early Talker. If this is the first time you're joining us, welcome. This is the place that you can get tips and strategies on how to get your child talking. I'm creating a series of videos on different activities of how to encourage your child to communicate and talk. Today, I'm going to talk about one easy thing that you can do during snack time to get your child talking. Stay tuned. During therapy sessions, we like to set up the environment so that there is an opportunity for your child to talk. So one of the things we like to use are communication temptations. And this box over here is a perfect example of a situation that you can put your child in where they're tempted to communicate. So basically what this means is we have something that the child wants, and we're trying to teach them a way to ask for it. So a great way to do that is to take a box, a see-through one, so some kind of container that you have around the house, something that's not easy for them to open. And the perfect time to do this is snack time, because we know kids love their snacks. So you can put in some cookies or crackers, some cut up grapes, something that's appropriate for your child and something that they're gonna want. So the way we set up this situation is we always show our child what it is that we want them to do. So what it is that we're requiring them to do during this interaction. So for a younger child, so, a baby, somebody who doesn't have words yet, and you're just trying to teach them to communicate and teach them sounds and words, what you're going to request from them is a little bit different than from a toddler. So for a baby, you can show them, the box of Cheerios or whatever it is that you have, and you tell them, let's say your target word is open. You tell them, open. So you show them, you open the box, open, and then you give them one of the treats and close it back up. So the baby might look to the box after they're done their treat, or point, and that's a great opportunity for you to then recognize that they're communicating and reward that. Did you point? You want mommy to open the box? I'm going to open. Or if they look at it and just say and gesture towards that, that's them communicating. And you want to reward that by doing it again, opening the box, giving them the treat, and giving them that feedback that, yes, you did it right. You want to point, and you're going to model for them. Open the box. So for a toddler, we're kind of upping the ante a little bit. We want them to say the word open. So we'll demonstrate again, open the box, open it for them, give them the treat, and then close it back up. And then show it to them again. Do you want mommy to open the box? Let's open it. And you're opening the box, you're saying the word, and then you're waiting for that child to say it as well. So you're giving them the opportunity, you showed them, and now you want to stop and wait. Hold it back. So you're tempting them to communicate. So when they look over at the box, you see that they're looking, you're engaging with them, and you say, open. And watch what your child does. Do they say, oh? Do they point to it? Are they trying to grab it? If they're trying to grab it, you say the word again, open. Open the box. And show them again, open the box, give them the treat, close it back up again. After you've shown them a couple times what you'd like them to do, then you want to make it a little bit more difficult for them to get what it is that you have in your box. So you wait. What are they going to do? Are they going to grab it? If they're going to grab it, you don't give them the cookie. And this kind of goes against your instinct because you just want to give them their snack, but you are trying to up the ante a little bit and get them to communicate. So your child's pulling at the box. You say, open. Tell me, open. And then they try to say maybe, oh, or they make a noise. Good job. You're rewarding that attempt at open. You open the box, give them a cookie, close it back up again. Your target is that they're going to say the word open. So eventually, after a few times, they're going to try that word open. And then you want to make a big deal. Good job. You said open, or you tried open. And then you open the box, give them the treat, close it back up again. This is something that you can do at snack time. You can do it at playtime as well. Fill it with a toy, maybe a wind-up toy that they really like. Wind up the toy, show it to them, let them play with it, and then put it back in the box. So these communication temptations are an amazing way of setting up the environment to give your child an opportunity to request something, an opportunity to pick a target word to then teach them how to say. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any feedback or there are any topics that you'd like me to cover, just leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You can watch more videos to help your kids learn language and grow.